Everyone, hope you're doing well. I'm so sorry I'm not there today. I apologize. But I know you're going to do great today. And I know you're going to be extra kind to the sub, right? Y'all be good, okay? Be nice to them. Make sure you're on task and be respectful, okay? So, your opener for today says, here are some numbers in a list. You have 1, -3, -1/2, 3, 2, 1/4, and 0.5. So, let's go through these. It says, how many different numbers are in the list? And y'all, please don't overthink this. All you are doing is counting. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 different numbers, right? -3 and 3 are different numbers. So your answer for this is 7. Oh, I forgot my little 7 there. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Number 2 says make a new list containing all the squares of all these numbers. So you might have to use a calculator. It's okay to use a calculator. So 1 squared, our first answer would be 1. -3 squared, -3 times -3 is going to give you a positive 9. Okay? -0.5 times itself, -0.5. And if you need to use a calculator, right, use a calculator. I don't necessarily need to, but I'm encouraging you, y'all, please use a calculator if you need it. And you should get a positive 0.25. Okay? 3 squared, again, is still going to give you 9. 2 squared is going to give you 4. So I'm going to put commas between these so you can see. Okay. Now, again, 1/4, kind of a hard number. So if you have to, use a desk or a calculator and look what it's squared. Okay, this one's going to be quite small. So it's 0.062. And you don't have to do farther than that. Okay. And then our last one is 0.5, which is the same as -1/2. And so we're going to get another 0.25. Okay. Then 3 says how many different numbers are in the new list? Well, we have 1, 9 does repeat, so we only have 1. We have 2 differences. 0.25, there's 3 differences. 4 is 4 differences. 0.062 repeats. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 differences on this one. Okay, and then 4 says explain why the 2 lists do not have the same number. What does it say underneath? Number of different numbers. Well, I'm hoping you're able to look at this and say, well, the reason why some of them repeat is because the negative times itself is going to give you a positive answer, which means it doesn't matter if we have a negative and then a positive where we did in that first list. A negative times a negative is going to give you a positive answer. Therefore, right, we're going to get some similarities here. And that's your answer. All right, y'all. Go ahead and go to the next slide.